Hey there, YouTube fam! Are you ready to dive into the wild world of natural remedies for prostate enlargement? We've got some secret weapons from Mother Nature herself that are going to blow your mind. From the mighty bee pollen to the humble pumpkin seed, we are going to reveal how these everyday items can be your prostate's best friends. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride into the world of natural health. Before we dive in, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Now, let's get started. Fellow prostate warriors, are you tired of feeling like you're constantly running to the bathroom? Well, fear not. Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies for prostate enlargement. And trust me, nature has some serious superheroes up its sleeve. First up, we have the mighty bee pollen. Did you know that bee pollen is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants? It's like a power-up for your prostate health. Plus, it's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support urinary function. That's buzzworthy news. Next on our list is beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that's been shown to promote healthy prostate function. It's like a secret agent sneaking into your prostate cells and helping them stay in tip-top shape. A study published in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews found that beta-sitosterol improved urinary symptoms and flow measures. Say goodbye to those pesky bathroom breaks. Then we have the amazing saw palmetto, the wise old sage of prostate remedies. This herbal extract has been used for ages to support prostate health. It's like having a guardian angel watching over your urinary system. Similarly, a review in the American Journal of Men's Health reported that saw palmetto may help symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Who needs a superhero cape when you have saw palmetto? Now let's talk about the unsung heroes of the snack world, pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with zinc, which is essential for a healthy prostate. Plus, they're a delicious and convenient way to give your prostate some love. Snack away, my friends! And who can forget nettle? Nettle is the gentle giant of prostate remedies. This herb has been used for centuries to support urinary function and promote a healthy prostate. It's like a soothing hug for your urinary system. Who knew nature could be so comforting? Next, we have the African plum, also known as Pygeum Africanum. This powerful fruit extract has been used in traditional medicine to support prostate health. It's like a tropical vacation for your prostate. Pure bliss. And last but not least, we can't forget our trusty sidekick, green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea is not only a refreshing beverage, but also a prostate-friendly elixir. Sip on this liquid superhero and let it work its magic. And there you have it, folks, nature's superheroes for prostate health. Remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before trying any new remedies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you next time.